All right, you guys, it's time for the great reveal. So much steam coming out of this oven. We made it to the end of our bagel baking saga, really. The only one that's questionable is probably this like massive one in the back, but it's fine. The rest of them are definitely done. Yay, look at the bagels. Although the way I'm handing these bagels out, y'all, I might have to start making these bagels like smaller size. But yay, this is the one, I think this is the one that doesn't have any cheese on it. And then obviously these other ones with like the yellow have the cheese. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the bagel journey. High five yourself. You can totally do this now. If I can do it, trust me, you can definitely do it. Yeah, join me for more baking videos in the future. Love you guys. Bye.